go click clack, blow your bed. Government fingers and tic-tac-toes in it. And while they're working on the X's and O's, I'm living eye and eye like I'm Mr. Kamosi. No surprise when they sending foes to me. Opposite are when plain clothes approaching me. Follow the rules is what they propose to me. Selling their souls for what is owed, you see. Nothing is owed, nothing is promised. Never know the government would have run up in a them garrison. Without no sorry, without excuse. Soldier money in a them lorry, everybody gets abused. And everybody have them views now. The media is owned, so know where you get your news from. And the blood up on them shoes now. When them walk in the trace, look them hard in them face and say, Kingston, be warriors. Kingston, free up your mind. Kingston, just be warriors for me. Kingston, free up the eye, yeah. Now all the damage can't quantify. Ray and couldn't sanctify. Say enough of them send to die. So the city I intensify. Say the ghetto them a gentrify. Well nobody no identify. Nobody's unidentified and just a lie there. Then where the gun there? Dead pan Saturday, buried Sunday. Like Solomon a gun there. Like a no sons of Solomon them have done there. Leonard how will a pinnacle and them land there. Subdivision them deal it under hand. So learn it cause them come back with them plan it. So tell me how far do you wanna go now? Hey, cause them we rat-ta-ta-ta-ta when you pop out, pow, wow, wow, wow.